Hello, my name's Robert Dean Steele, and this is Real Living. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the power of influence. Each one of us, whether we know it or not, we influence people around us. For example, when you decide to take a stand for Jesus Christ, immediately there's going to be a reaction, both negatively and positively. For those who have the same mind, they're going to stand up and say, "Way to go, that's excellent. I am so glad that you stood up for the Lord." And then, of course, the negative reaction is there'll be people who are saying this, "Who do you think you are, standing up and saying the things that you're saying?" But that's when you need to understand what's really at stake here. What's really at stake here is not your reputation or the way that people are going to view you, but you need to understand that you're standing up for God. You're standing up and saying, listen, God has a plan here. God has a purpose. God has a will. And because God has called me to stand up for truth, I am going to stand up for truth, whether the truth is popular or not, whether people agree or disagree with me. But I'm going to stand up. And when you get that positive affirmation, give the Lord all the glory. And when you get that negative reaction, just realize that they did the same thing to Jesus. Jesus stood up and he testified of the Father's will, the Father's plan and purpose. And he said this, if you see the Father, you see me. If you see me, you see the Father. Now, we can't quite put it that way. But what we can say is this. We can say, I am doing the Father's will because I'm following the principles of the Bible. And I am prepared to stand up because at the end of the day, I know whose life I'm giving an account to. And I'm not giving it to my critics, and I'm not giving it to those who are standing behind me. I'm standing before the Lord. And one day he's going to look at me and say, well, did you do what I asked you to do? And you'll say, yes, I did. And he'll say, well done, thou good and faithful one. Enter into my rest. My name is Robert Dean Steele. This is Real Living, and you have yourself a great day.